Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. Doing good? Yes. My dear students, please follow the instructions carefully. Follow the instructions carefully. Be regular to the online classes. Students, please listen to the audios and videos carefully many times for better understanding. You can repeat the video again and again and try to understand the concept. Okay, now let's start our mathematics lesson. Let us recapitulate what we have learned in our previous class. That is, we learned to form a table, that is trigonometric table for some specific angles, that is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. I hope by this time all are thorough. You people know how to prepare the table. Okay, let's back to the exercise, that is 11.2 third bit. First and second bit I ask you to do, as an homework, copy the work completely in your class workbook with the help of PDF. Now I'll proceed with third problem. Third question. I'm reading the question. Evaluate sine 60 cos 30 plus evaluate sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60. You know the values, you know how even to substitute, that is sine 60. The value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2 into the value of cos 30 is also root 3 by 2 plus, question plus is there, so here also I'm putting plus, sine 30. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2 into cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. That is 3 3s are 9. Root 9 is 3 by 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 1s are 1 by 2 2s are 4. I hope you can add the like fraction. Take LCM as 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 4. The answer is 1. What is the answer? Answer is 1. First, in this question, two bits are there. Sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60. Next, what it is given? What you have to find? Find the value of sine 60 plus 30. Next, what he is saying is to find sine 60 plus 30. When you add this both, 60 plus 30 is 90. Sine 90 degrees. The value of sine 90 is 1. The value of sine 90 is 1. The next, what is asking us to conclude? What do you notice from this? What you notice? That the both answers are 1. That is sine 60 plus 30 is equals to sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60. We conclude that these both are equal. A small note, or you can, it's not a note, it's a, formula in higher standard or maybe the intermediate, I'll say, that is sine A plus B. Sine A plus B is equals to sine A cos B plus sine B cos A. So it's a formula in intermediate, that is sine A plus B is equals to sine A cos B plus cosine B cos A. You need not worry about this formula. It's there in the intermediate just for an additional knowledge. I said this, but the conclusion part is very important. The conclusion carries half mark in exam. So after each and every problem, you have to conclude. Therefore, whatever is your conclusion. So now next problem, proceeding to the next problem, it is the same question. Instead of sine, it's given cos. So the next question, cos 60 plus 30 is equals to cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30. I hope you can do this. You have to just put the values. So simplify, get the answer and conclude. This is your today's assignment. This is your today's assignment. You have to solve this, simplify this and get the answer. Repeatedly I am saying PDF is available. In that each and every problem is solved. If at all you have any doubt in answer, you can rectify that. You can open and see. Now coming back to the fifth problem. Coming back to the, yes dear students, so cos 60 plus 30 is equals to cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30 is your assignment. You are going to simplify that. You are going to solve it, and again I am telling, on the reopening day I am going to check each and every classwork, and I am going to give marks on this online sessions work which you have done. Remember that carefully. So now I'll be doing 5th, 6th, 7th problem. With this 11.2 exercise will be completed. I'm reading out the 5th problem for you all. In a right angle triangle PQR, right angle is at Q. In a right angle triangle PQR, question number 5th. In a right angle triangle PQR, the right angle is at Q, that is angle Q is 90 degrees. This is given. What else is given? PQ is equals to 6 centimeter. This is also given. And angle RPQ is equals to 60 degrees. This is also given. We have to find the length of, QR and PR. Again, we'll be recreating the first concept. First, the figure is very, very important. I'll draw the figure. What else is given? I'll just label it up. A right angle triangle PQR is given. Right angle at Q, that is angle Q is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees given. What else is given? PQ is equals to 6 centimeter and PQR is a right angle triangle, right angle at Q. What else is given? RPQ. Again, see how I am showing it. RPQ, that is angle P is how much? 60 degrees. This is also given. What is given? Angle P is 60 degrees. This is also given. PQ is how much? PQ is 6 centimeter. This is also given. We have to find QR. We have to find this length and this length. This both we have to find. Chaliye, next. You know it. Right angle triangle. This is 60 degrees. Very easy. This is 60 degrees given. This is your angle. So you know this is 90 degrees. You know side opposite to this angle. I am putting it as opposite. And the side QP is adjacent to this angle. I am putting adjacent, that is adjacent to 60 degrees. Angle side opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. This is 6 centimeter. PQ is given. Which formula we will use to find PQ? To find PQ, which formula? Think. PQ, which formula? Adjacent value is given. We have to find opposite value. Adjacent value is given. We have to find opposite value. We will be using tan 60 or tan theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. That is, opposite is what? Denoted by PQ by, this is R, I'm sorry, PR, I'm sorry, again I'll repeat, QR is your opposite, so that is QR by PQ. Here is what? Tan value is, theta values is given as 60 degrees. Tan 60 value is root 3 is equals to, we have to find QR, so we are going to put QR or RQ same. PQ values is given as 6 centimeter. Cross multiply. So QR is equals to 6 root 3. This we have to find. We did it. Now we have to find PR. Think and recollect which formula we will be using. Again, I'll draw a triangle. Q, P, Q, R. This is 60 degrees. This is 6 centimeter. We just got this value as 6 root 3. Now we have to find this value, that is PR. Yes, students, we have completed the third problem, fourth problem, fifth problem. Now, sixth problem, I am reading it for you all. In a triangle XYZ, right angle is at Y, YZ is equals to X, XZ is equals to 2X, then determine angle YXZ and YZX. I'll first write what is given. That is given a right angle triangle, angle Y is 90 degrees. A given right angle triangle at angle Y is equals to 90 degrees. This is given. What else is given? YZ is equals to small x. This is given. And capital XZ is equals to 2x. We have to find, what we have to find? Angle YXZ and angle YZX. First, we'll draw the figure. We'll label it. We'll write the values given. It's a right angle triangle XYZ. Right angle at, tell me Y. Right angle at Y. So this is Y. Okay. X, Y, Z. What else is given? XZ. XZ is given, that is 2x. And YZ is given as small x. We have to find, listen carefully, what we have to find? YXZ. We have to find this value, and we have to find YZX, this value. This both value we have to find. We have to find this both value. Now, how to find it? What is given? If we consider x is your angle, if I am considering x, when I consider x, this is my opposite, this is adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. I am considering angle x. See, x, opposite is given and hypotenuse is given. Opposite is given, hypotenuse is given. So opposite by hypotenuse, O by H, old Henry, that is sine I am considering x. Sine x is equals to O by h, that is O by h, that is yz by xz. How much is yz value given? Small x. By xz values is given by 2x. X cancel. So sine x is equals to 1 by 2. Now recollect 1 by 2. Sine x is how much? 1 by 2. Sine x in sine table, when is 1 by 2? That is sine 30. Sine x is equals to sine 30. Sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. 0, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. I got the value of x, that is angle x is, I am cancelling sine. So angle x is how much? 30 degrees. Angle x is 30 degrees. That means angle y x z is equals to 30 degrees. Again I am drawing the figure. It is right angle at y. This is x, this is z. This is 2x is given, x is given. When I consider z, remember when I consider z, the opposite will be xy. This is your opposite. This is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. Okay. Now tell me, adjacent value is given, hypotenuse value is given. Which formula will be using? Adjacent value is given and hypotenuse. That is old Henry and his. And his is nothing. Old Henry and his. That is cos values and his, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent value is yz by xz. Yz by xz. So yz value is what? X by 2x. X cancel. So cos z is equals to 1 by 2. Now recollect, get back to the table. Cos में 1 by 2 कब रहता? That is cos z is equals to cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos get cancelled. Z is equals to 60 degrees. That means angle YZX is equals to 60 degrees. See, what did you notice, students? We have used the concept of trigonometric ratio, defining the trigonometric ratio, and trigonometric table, angles, trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. The both concept we have used here, that is the values of sine cos and even the defining of sine cos. So next, get back to the last question. With this the exercise will be completed. Last question, that is question number 7. I am reading out the question for you. Is it right to say that sin A plus B is equals to sin A plus sin B? Justify your answer. That is sin A plus B is equals to sin A plus sin B. Justify your answer. Let us suppose that A is equals to 60 and B is equals to 30. Okay, now substitute sin 60 plus 30 is equals to sin, in the place of, see what I am doing, in the place of A I am putting 60, in the place of B I am putting 30. Same thing, sin in the place of A I am putting 60 plus sin in the place of B I am putting 30. Now add it up. Sin 30 plus 60 is 90 degrees is equals to sin 60 value. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 plus Sine 30 value 1 by 2. Sine 90 value. Sine 90 is 1. Seagulls. Seagulls and boys. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 root 3 by 2. Sine 90 1 by 2. You should be ready with this table. So 1 is equals to root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. When you add it, root 3 plus 1 by 2. Is this both equal? No, it is not equal. That means sine A plus B is not equals to sine A plus sine B. It is not equal, but some exceptional is there. It is true only for it is true. This is only true when angle A is equals to 0 and angle A is equals to, it is true only when angle A is equals to 0 and angle B is equals to 90 degrees or vice versa. If angle A is 0 and angle B is 0, then only this condition is true. Then only the condition is true. Put this value, you justify your answers and come back to the class. If at all you have any doubts, you can contact me. You can message me. You can clarify your doubts. With this 11.2 is completed. Revise this whole exercise again. And next class we will be starting a new topic, that is trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. Before that, you should be thorough in the table, preparing the table and all. Do you have any doubt in this? How I did sine A plus B is equals to sine A plus sine B? This is only true. This is only true when when A is 0 and B is 90 or vice versa. Otherwise, it is not true for any other value. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you for attending this session. I'll be get back to you soon. Thank you. Have a good day.